In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a deal between pipelines in HubSpot. Whether you're updating a single deal or need to make changes for multiple deals at once, I'll walk you through the process step by step. Plus, I'll touch on how to automate this task for even more efficiency. Understanding how to effectively manage your deals in HubSpot is essential for keeping your sales process streamlined and organized. So let's dive in. First, let's look at how to move a single deal from one pipeline to another. Start by navigating to the deal record you want to move. You can do this by using the search function in HubSpot or by browsing through your existing deals until you find the one you need. Once you're on the deal record page, you'll notice the current pipeline and stage displayed at the top left of the screen. Click on the pipeline name. This action will open a drop-down menu showing other available pipelines and stages. From here, simply select the new pipeline and the appropriate stage you want to move your deal to. After making your selection, ensure you click Save to confirm and apply the changes. This straightforward method helps ensure that each deal is exactly where it needs to be in your sales workflow. Now, if you need to move multiple deals at once, HubSpot makes that process just as easy. Go to the Deals table view, which provides a list of all your deals. Here, you'll see checkboxes next to each deal. Simply select the checkboxes for the deals you want to move. With your deals selected, click on the Edit button located at the top of the table. A dialog box will appear. In this dialog, select Pipeline from the Property to Update drop-down menu. From here, just as with moving a single deal, you'll choose the new pipeline and stage for the group of deals. Then, to complete the process, click Update. This bulk edit feature saves time and reduces the risk of human error when managing numerous deals. For those of you dealing with more complex scenarios, automating the pipeline movement through HubSpot workflows might be the way to go. Begin by navigating to the Automations section and clicking on Workflows. You'll want to create a new deal-based workflow specifically for your needs. Set up enrollment triggers that define criteria based on the current pipeline and stage, which will determine when a deal should move. Then, add an action to Set Deal Property and specify the new deal stage and pipeline. Once everything is configured, activate the workflow. With this automation in place, HubSpot will handle the movement of deals that fit your specified criteria, saving you time and ensuring consistency. Whether managing just one deal or overseeing an entire pipeline, these methods will help keep your HubSpot CRM organized and running smoothly.